Good evening, respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Sohan. I'm studying in Indian School soon. Today I'm going to recitate poems. Let's preserve our nature. The poem is written by Arjun. Let's preserve our nature. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. The birds are flying and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what we do just make her a mess. But what we do just make her a mess. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less. And reserve her green dress for kids and the rest. Reserve her green dress for kids and the rest. Thank you. Have a